All right, guys, thank you very much for joining this session. Mendeley is a wonderful software that I wanted to introduce you guys to. Amongst other things, what's really cool about it is it allows you to organize your articles. It allows you to be able to cite your articles in whatever format your journal needs. It's a reference manager. It's a reference. It's a citation, kind of like RefWorks or something like that, where it'll automatically cite your articles into your research paper. And what I want to talk about today actually is that it's also a great sharing resource. So what you have to do is you have to go to mendeley.com. Let me just bring this up a little bit. And then what you're going to do is make an account. Now it's free to make an account, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. Now there are added features that you can pay for, but again, just do the free account, okay? And then once you do that, you're going to download Mendeley. Now, Mendeley is really great because it's compatible with just about every operating system you can imagine: Linux, Mac, and Windows. And there's actually an Android version called Scholarly, which is also an option. Now, of course, I don't imagine you're probably going to be doing a lot of this stuff out of your Android tablet. You'll probably be doing this from your computer. But Scholarly does, of course, link into the Mendeley account, so that's pretty cool too. Now, once you do that, you're going to once you've downloaded your Mendeley desktop, I'm just going to show this to you real quick here. You can see that you can actually organize all of your studies based on topic. You can make a folder on your Pico, etc. Now, what I want to show you is creating a group. So you're just going to go to Groups, Create Group, enter group name, and I would probably make it, I don't know, AVECT, oops, and then whatever your Pico question is. It's probably not a bad way to go. I want a private group, so make sure you choose private. I'm going to create it. Now, the thing is for the free option, you can only share with up to 2 other people. But that's fine because most of your Pico groups are going to be with another person. Let's say Kenichiro is my person that I'm going to share with, so I'm just going to send him an invite to join this group. Now, once that's done, we have pretty much our groups right here. Let's say I want to, share a particular article. Then what I'm going to do is pretty much look under, you can do one of a couple of things. You can, if you already have it in your Mendeley, all you have to do is drag a PDF into your Mendeley desktop. So, for instance, let's say I want to put in my ALT score sheet, this ALT evaluation sheet here, right there. All I have to do is pretty much take it in my, highlight my group, take the ALT index thing here, and just drag it into the group. Once I do that, that document, and I'll pass over that right now, will come up. Now, admittedly, this information, in this case, I made this sheet, so it doesn't really have metadata on it. So we'll just create a title for it, index for evaluation. And we could put in the rest of information. It's from Journal of Veterinary Medical Education. It was 2012. We can fill that information out as necessary. The main thing is that we're going to use this to share. I want to share this with Kenichiro so that way he can actually pull up the article. And what you can do is also take notes. This is a great quality assessment resource, which of course it is. Etc. So pretty much that's going to be shared between me and Kenichiro. So he gets access to the PDF and to the reference information that he can utilize it in his write-up as well. So great resource. I hope you guys take advantage of this. I think it's a good way to go. Hopefully when you guys pair up for your Picos, we have one academic, one non-academic, so that way the academic can probably have access to those resources that you need. That way they can just kind of populate the folder, the group folder with the articles. That's about it. Thank you for joining me.